Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you all are well. Today I'll show you a new applications called Sketchware Max. This is a Sketchware Pro upgraded version. The base application is Sketchware latest 7.0.0 and it upgraded to Sketchware Max and it is a 1.0 version. This is, you can see, the version 1.0.0 mesh and the application name is Sketchware Max. And in the system informations, here you can see different feature include here, different information. You can see the cores and the CPU architecture and other informations. And here is changes few more things like ID log. To click here, you can see different output log informations, and if you pause this, then you can see there is split activity. You can see real-time data here. So let's open another options called settings, and if I scroll down, then you can see there is so many changes here. One is plugin manager. You can just add or download plugins like local library and use it in your project. It works for automations and different types of AI tasks and different tools, which is you can just install from external source like Gradle support and other informations. Here you can just implement and run, but still it is beta versions and development process is running. And here you can see the create key store. This is by default which Sketchware provides, but I just changed something here. You can see at first this is the key store name. Just you can change the key store name like demo. Just you can rename your files of key store, and in this application you can use multiple key store to sign every APK separately. And in the bottom you can see there is terminal emulator. This is a external terminal emulator for Sketchware Pro. You can see there is supported two environment shell. One is Alpine, which is a Linux environment, and another is Android, which is a by default for Android shell. This is the external library, or sorry, external plugin for Sketchware Max, and it just modify versions of free terminal. You can find out this in GitHub. And another terminal is, this is a test purpose. Here is a root terminal, and you can see this is just native terminal emulator for Sketchware to access the data files. You can see now I'm just user and data folder in the Sketchware mesh version. This is the just development purpose, testing purpose also. And in the general option you can see the LLM agent provider. Here you can see several options for integrating the LLM for agent. Here is Open AI. This is the still development purpose and it is upgrading, but now only it work with LM Studio. You can just install LM Studio software or host any server like Llama and you can just enter the link and then you can use for it as an agent completely locally. Here also you can use llama, but it is not still working. I'm just upgrading it. In the last you can see there is options sign APK with production key. If you click, then you can see every available key store which you create in Sketchware. Then you can select anyone and just give the password and alias, then you can sign. But it has some problem. I'm just trying to fix it. And in this option, visit all providers, if you click it, then you can see the same options. But if you click here, then you can directly open the chat interface in browser. I'm just showing you the example. If I click here, then I can open the chatbot here. It's loading now. After loading, I can see here is my chat interface. I can chat here and ask any questions. This is a browser interface. Here you can see different options and different AI which you can use for your task. And let's open a project, but at first let's see the project configuration. If I click here, then you can see there is a change of application name class. It turned into the my class, and you can see it's changed. If you try to test this application, then please try to back up fast, because in this application there is so many changes inside the file system and Sketchware default structure. So you should just careful about it. And let's see in event. In the last, you can see there is a AI agent option. Here you can just chat, but at first you should connect with local LM, which is LM Studio software you can use, and just connect it, and then you can chat here. But still it is development purpose and in development mode, so here all functions are not working. In here you can just only chat with the bot, but not work as a LM agent. And this button is not working, and the microphone button is not working. So here is so many buttons, but it's not working so good because it is not implemented yet. This is in development state. I try to develop it, and in the event activity, here is I'm just improving it, and this is the same as like the latest 7.0.0, but I'm improved the backend feature of this event activity to run smoothly. In the drawer option, just scroll down and you can see there is a plugin manager activity. Here you can see all the list of the plugins which is available or installed in your device. And here you can see the find class manager. It helps you to understand the class properties, and you can understand from there and then implement in your project. Just give any class path which you want to know. For example, I like to know about text view class and find out all available methods and all properties. Here you can see there is all properties which is available and public and private on the text view class, and you can just use it and apply in your project. In the Android Studio it is show as a suggestion, but in the Sketchware there is complex to implement the suggestion like this. So I add here. For easily you can just search and use your requirement from there. Here you can see single line this is a public method. You can see all available methods here. In the menu button you can see there is similar options. The build settings is still have same features, but here just added a new feature, a new button is Android icon you can see, and if you click it then you will see another window for list of the custom Android jar. But recently I don't have any Android file jar file, then so I don't have the pop-up message here. And in the bottom of the source file source code you will get so many options if you install plugin manager. So that's it for now. If you want to download it, just check the description box and you can see the download link. Thank you everyone.